All right, let's get you first up. This quick breaking update coming in. There is, again, that political war of words that ensues between the opposition and the BJP. This is after the Prime Minister is back in the country. Remember, after that all-successful visit to both Russia to Austria, you have the Congress that continues to trade charges at the Prime Minister. In fact, you would recall that the Prime Minister on the floor of the House has spoken about a Balak Buddhi. The Balak Buddhi jibe directed, many say, at Rahul Gandhi. Now, the Congress has labelled the Prime Minister as Bail Buddhi to counter that Balak Buddhi jibe. It has, in fact, posted several images of the Prime Minister on its social media platforms with entirely that caption that says Bail Buddhi. We also will be playing out some of those reactions for you, but no end to the politics that continues. And this happening as soon as the Prime Minister has touched down in the national capital. Mohit is joining us live, and that tweet that I just spoke about is also, remember, playing on the extreme right of your screens, Mohit. Many would say that, the opposition clearly does not want to give any space right now to the government. The Prime Minister is just back, Mohit, from their all-successful trip to both Russia to Austria, but the opposition right now is again gunning for the Prime Minister. Is this really good, sensible politics?
Well, you see, it's seen as a counter to the statement that Prime Minister Narendra Modi gave in the parliament while he was replying to the president's address, the motion of thanks, and he indirectly he made mention of Rahul Gandhi. He called him Balak Buddhi, referring to how the Congress party and Rahul Gandhi are celebrating despite getting just 99 seats. But Prime Minister said these 99 are not out of 100, but out of 543. So Prime Minister said that who exactly will tell Balak Buddhi about all these things? So it was seen as a reference going in for Rahul Gandhi, and now we see that the Congress party and all their leaders have in a way started a campaign where they are posting pictures of Prime Minister Narendra Modi, videos of Prime Minister Narendra Modi, and saying that who exactly is Bail Buddhi now. Now, Bail Buddhi means who has a limited understanding, who does not have much of understanding about the things. So clearly it's a jibe seen at Prime Minister Narendra Modi, to which the BJP says that the opposition does not have any issue, and perhaps that is why they are directing the personal attack against Prime Minister Narendra Modi. But we will surely see that this will surely escalate. We'll see the reactions coming in from the BJP for today, because all the Congress leaders, many of the Congress leaders, have posted such kind of tweets on their social media handles.
Okay, Mohit, just give me a moment. We'll also get in our colleague Meenakshi, who's joining us from our newsroom, and she'll actually read us through that response that has come in from the Congress. Meenakshi.
Well, absolutely, BP. So, since you just mentioned the responses and the attack which is coming in from the side of the Congress, this is a retort to the Balak Buddhi jibe which was taken by the Prime Minister on the LOP Rahul Gandhi. Congress has launched a campaign. They are saying, "Aap jante hain who is Bail Buddhi," roughly translates to someone who has a mind like a bull, a jibe, a sarcastic comment on the Prime Minister. It isn't just Srinivas Bibi. There are multiple leaders of the Congress party who have posted, a very similar attack at the Prime Minister. What's interesting is that this attack is coming in the backdrop of the Prime Minister returning from that extremely successful foreign trip. Remember, the Prime Minister is back from the two-nation trip. That's, of course, to Russia and Austria. Post the triumphant, visit, when the Prime Minister is back, Congress has picked up a fresh fight. Balak Buddhi versus Bail Buddhi battle, literally playing out in the political arena back home.
Thank you, Meenakshi, for getting us, that entire detail. In fact, I was just looking at the timeline of the Congress. It has about 7 such tweets directed again at the Prime Minister. Many would say that this again is a low-level politics. And what really explains such a level of, politics by the Congress in particular, that again and again has spoken about the Mohabbat ki Dukaan and much more? We also have a response that has come in from the BJP that says the Congress, it seems, has become issueless.
Issueless Congress party led by Balak Buddhi has now recruited Mand Buddhis, trolls, after the Manipur press conference failed him yet again. This is yet another attempt to placate his ego that met with go back slogans from Manipur.
So Balak Buddhi versus Bail Buddhi, then Tom Barakan saying Mand Buddhi wale log is tarah ke attack kar rahe hain. So clearly, is this the level of politics that, you know, the Indian democracy should be proud about? Do remember on your screens, you're looking at the entire fight right now between Prime Minister Modi, Rahul Gandhi becoming sharper. Daggers are drawn. And this has happened after you've seen the kind of numbers that the opposition has been able to get, in spite of the fact that these numbers are not good enough to even, you know, kind of say that you have won the battle. But still there is no de-escalation coming in again and again. The Congress wants to reiterate the fact that these are numbers for the opposition and you will have to listen to us. But what has the Prime Minister said on multiple occasions and on this entire fight and on the mandate? Let's quickly give you a highlight of that, and I think we'll also get a response from the BJP, I'm told, in just a moment. So we'll just spend a little time talking about these things. Okay, so those two tweets on your screens, multiple tweets coming in from the Congress's Twitter handle. As far as you see the entire story going in, we have Rashid Alvi ji, I think, who's joining us. He represents the Congress. Rashid Alvi ji, आप मोहब्बत की दुकान की बात करते हैं. प्रधानमंत्री ने राहुल गांधी को अगर आप कहते हैं कि बालक बुद्धि कहा, तो ये बैल बुद्धि का आइडिया कांग्रेस के पास कहां से आया?
देखिए, I do not want to make on comment on this, but let the people of the country decide what is fact. Rahul Gandhi didn't say कि सारे हिंदू हिंसा करते हैं. Very specifically he said BJP people, RSS people, those who claim to be Hindus, they have done all this kind of violence and हिंसा. उसके बावजूद अगर वो नहीं समझ रहे प्रधानमंत्री, तो आप मुझे बताइए बालक बुद्धि कौन है?
नहीं, बैल बुद्धि कौन है? राशिद जी देखिए, आप many people would say कि ऐसा तो नहीं है कि opposition is getting, you know, overconfident about these numbers. Please put the government on the mat. Please ask questions that people want. But this low level of politics, where would that lead us, sir?
Who started it? Rahul Gandhi or Pradhan Mantri? Who said Balak Buddhi? Do you justify? Can you say it was absolutely all right to say Balak Buddhi about Rahul Gandhi? Rahul Gandhi is a leader of 100 MPs. We have our governments in 3 states. And Prime Minister is talking, he is Balak Buddhi. How can you justify it?
Rashid ji, I'm not in the business of justifying anything, sir. I'm a journalist. I will ask questions to all sides. If you're saying Balak Buddhi was not justified, what about Bail Buddhi? Is that any better?
It is a reaction.
It's a reaction.
It is a reaction. Congress party didn't make any comment against Pradhan Mantri. It happened only after when Pradhan Mantri said Balak Buddhi. Who started it? ये तो प्रधान क्या शोभा देता है प्रधानमंत्री को?
पर आप तो बीजेपी से अलग है ना राशिद अलवी जी. That's the real fight. You say you're not like the BJP, but then why are you forced to respond like the BJP then? That's the last question.
आप ये कह के आप अलहदा हैं, you are criticizing us. And those who have started this, you are not talking about him. शुरू किसने किया? शुरू तो प्रधानमंत्री ने किया. It is nothing but a reaction. रिएक्शन में तो हर आदमी क्या, मुझे याद है when Gujarat incident had taken place, Atal ji, who was very senior leader and I have great respect for him, he said it is because of our reaction. When he was talking in parliament and he has taken U-turn.
Rashid Alvi ji, I understand where you are referring to, where you're going, but I do not know whether that's the best resort to this. But okay, it's your politics. We'll ask questions to all sides. You are justifying this. You assert that this is a reaction to the BJP, Tom, because you called the, Rahul Gandhi, the LOP, Mand Buddhi, Balak Buddhi. So the Congress says this is just a reaction to how the BJP has hit out at our leader.
We have not called him Mand Buddhi. We have mentioned what was in public perception, Balak Buddhi. So the trolls have been called Mandbuddhi. Okay.
But why did you call him Balak Buddhi also?
Balak Buddhi is what his actions in public domain is all about. What his kind of juvenile pattern of behavior. It's a universally accepted fact that he's not grown up.
That is maybe, Tom, the BJP's assessment, but as far as the democracy is concerned, he's an LOP right now. He's a leader of the opposition.
He is the leader of the opposition, but he must behave as a leader of the opposition and maintain that dignity. If he does not maintain that dignity, the public will call him what he is. This has been raised by even the Chief Minister of Kerala has called him names. So, it's in public perception. He's not grown up. He's just juvenile.
So, Tom, I do know you're justifying what has happened. So has Rashid Alviji, also of the Congress. I'm not sure if he's still with us. But all that he said is this is a response to what the BJP has, called our leader. I'm told Rashid Alviji is still on the phone line, Tom. If you just give me a minute, I'll also get him into the conversation. Rashidji, I'm sure you must have heard what Tom Barakan has said. Tom says that this is not just our perception, it's what the country believes, what people at large believe. Rashidji, a quick response?
Unfortunately, BJP is still claiming he is Mandbuddhi. He is justifying it. Now you see, how should we react about it? Still BJP says Mandbuddhi. Can you say Mandbuddhi not only to Rahul Gandhi but out anybody?
No, to be fair, Rashidji, to be fair, Tom said Mandbuddhi nahi bola hai humne, Balak Buddhi bola hai.
Even Balak Buddhi, how can you justify it, Balak Buddhi? Whether you can justify it, ये शोभा देता है प्रधानमंत्री को कि बालक बुद्धि he is leader of opposition. He is the leader of opposition of the country, leader of opposition of Lok Sabha. He is elected by the people of this country. He has won this election by a margin of 5 lakhs vote. Modi ji is elected by a margin of hardly 1.5 lakh vote. He is Mandbuddhi. How can you say like this?
Okay, so Rashidji and Tom, what I see is that this actually has now become a huge ego battle. This is not about anything. This is just an ego war. Gentlemen, I'm requesting both of you, please to just give me 30 seconds because I want to play out exactly what the Prime Minister has said about Rahul Gandhi on the Parliament, in the floor of the House. Then I'm just coming back to both of you.
आदरणीय सभापति जी, बालक बुद्धि में ना बोलने का ठिकाना होता है और न ही बालक बुद्धि में व्यवहार का कोई ठिकाना होता है। और जब ये बालक बुद्धि पूरी तरह सवार हो जाती है तो सदन में भी किसी के गले पड़ जाते हैं। ये बालक बुद्धि अपनी सीमाएं खो देती है तो सदन के अंदर बैठ करके आंखें मारते हैं, आंखें मारते हैं। इनकी सच्चाई आदरणीय सभापति जी अब पूरा देश समझ गया है।
So Balak Buddhi versus Bail Buddhi, that is what this fight has come down to. I thank both Rashid Alviji, Tom Barakan for speaking to us, and I'm sure we haven't heard the last word yet, and we will see a sharp counter again coming in from the BJP. We'll track that and much more. Also on the other side, we are back with lots more.